You are seeing Organica Project. Organica Project. This is at Future City. This is in India's first net zero urban hub. This is close to Outer Ring Road, upcoming Regional Ring Road, and Radial Roads. And this is near to Srisailam and Nagarjuna Sagar highways with quick access to Shamshabad Airport and near to Pharma City, and it connects key growth zones and very near to AI City, Pharma Hub, electronics, health and education, and near to Eco City, which is net zero, renewable energy, smart infrastructure. These are the location highlights of the Organica project. Organica project. You are seeing Organica project. These are open plots. You can book your plot now. Hurry up.